Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izman bin Nasli. Nama kat Matrix AP210476. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about introduction for company overview. Is Asan Sani Jati Unggul Sdn Bhd. This company established in 2009 in Batu Pajar, Malaysia. And company have to 15 years for experience in industry. For workforce, company have to 25 full-time staff member. For product focus to one special for homes and office. After that, for quality and materials, company has to only the fitness material for durability and superior quality. For sales performance, company to target average annual sales of 1 million. This is because the area is have to strong demand and loyalty customer base about this company. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif Najmi bin Muhammad. My metric number is AP210276. Now I will present the product characteristic part. For our company, we produce the product that include in furniture category, which is table and chair. By referring the target market of our company, which is families and restaurant, we have produced our product into three different sizes, which is sizes available for our product, small, medium, and large, as shown in the slide. Okay, the purpose of these different sizes of product is to serve our customer with variety of choice. Other than that, our company produce the product that offer comfortable sitting and dining experience for our customer. Besides that, our product guaranteed aesthetic appeal and practically usability with type of material that we use to produce the product. Our company is confident that product that we produce will surpass customer expectation in terms of quality, design, and functionality. Okay, that's all for this part from me. Then we move to the next part. Thank you.
Okay, for the next, we go to the flow process of furniture. So this is a flow chart for the furniture. Number one process is the select of wood types. So select of wood types, we have a two expert person for this step. So the select of wood, they follow the customer request or the wood will suitable for the furniture. Alright. So for the next, we drain the wood. So we must less content of water on the wood because we want quality on the furniture and the long last for the furniture. So for the next, we go to the furniture design. Furniture design, we follow the customer. With the first one, we must sketch on the book. After that, we go to the AutoCAD or make a 3D design. Okay, for the next, carving process. Carving process, it take a long time to do. It's because we must detail follow the customer request, and we have the expert person for this carving process. For the next, we finish the product, but we do have another process. So the process of the soaking furniture. After that, we go to the furniture oven to more or less the content of the water to make the furniture is a more better quality and the less content of the water. Alright. After that, we go to the inspection of the furniture tightness. So these are the important things. We must check the quality of the furniture. After that, that I say they have a check the content of the water. It is this process check the water content in the wood. Alright. So after that, we go to the spray furniture. Okay, so we go next for the third. Let's check furniture. We did check the quality of the furniture and go to the after that we go to the spray process. Spray process. After that, we go to the delivery process to the customer. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Abdi. I will talk to you about the detail of the product material and labor cost. Firstly, from the right side is a production output in unit. This is the labor, material, and manufacturing overhead. The total manufacturing overhead is 10,500. And for the left side is a detail of product cost calculation. Firstly, about direct material cost. Direct material cost equal to weight of wood multiplied by cost per kg. For example, small table 4 kg multiplied by 50 ringgit per kg equal to 200 ringgit. Next, about the labor cost equal to labor hours multiplied by cost per hours. And next, about manufacturing overhead allocation, that equal to production output multiplied by labor hours. And last about overhead cost per labor hours, that we will get 10,500 multiplied by 340, and we get 20.88 ringgit. And we define overhead cost for hours per labor hours equal to labor hours multiplied by overhead cost per labor hours. Okay, next about the total cost per unit. We calculate that per material plus labor plus overhead to calculate the total cost per unit. That's about the cost structure, which is total cost per month equal to production output multiplied by total cost per unit. Okay, this is our price, product, manufacturing income statement, and cost of goods sold, and operating cost. Okay, next about the schedule cost of good manufacturing. Firstly, for direct material, first beginning direct material plus purchase of direct material, and we will get direct material available for use, and minus ending direct material, where we get the total of direct material. We include the direct labor and manufacturing overhead. The total of manufacturing overhead is 10,500, and we total direct material, direct labor, and total manufacturing overhead. we get 190,500 for total manufacturing cost, plus the beginning work in process inventory to get a total manufacturing cost to account for, and minus for ending work in process inventory, and we will get the cost of goods manufactured. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Danish Farhan bin Abdul Hamid and my matrix number is AP210250. Now I would like to present about the type of costing method used to calculate the average total cost and cost per unit of the product. The type of costing method used to calculate the average total cost for Hasan Sani Jati Unggul Sendirian Berhad is process costing. Process costing is basically a costing technique that is used to calculate the average total cost while producing large quantities of homogeneous product. This method is commonly used in sectors like furniture, textile, food, and chemical manufacturing that produce goods that are identical and run continuously. For instance, Hasan Sani Jati Unggul Sendirian Berhad produce furniture production continuously that is ideal for processes that produce goods continuously and in large volume. There are a few steps to calculate average total cost using the process costing method. Firstly, find the total cost by sum of all costs incurred in the production process over a specific period. Secondly, find the total quantity and the total number of units produced during the same period. Lastly, to find average total cost, the total cost must be divided by the total quantity of units produced as the formula given. So in this company, the total cost to produce the furniture products is equal to, and the quantity is equal to 360 units. To calculate average total cost using the formula given, average total cost is equal to Rm 131,998 ringgit and 40 cents divided by 360 unit. So the average total cost for this production is Rm 366 ringgit and 70 cents. The components of the total cost usually are direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. However, there are some advantages of process costing method which are simplicity, efficiency, and cost control to the company. It is because process costing method is a straightforward method for products and suitable for continuous production processes such as produce furniture product and helps the company in monitoring and controlling production cost over time. The cost per unit can be determined by dividing the total cost by the total quantity of unit produced. The company can determine the cost per unit aiding in pricing, budgeting, and financial analysis. Next, the type of costing method used to calculate cost per unit of the product is the job order costing method. It is because job order costing is a costing method that assigns cost to specific jobs or batch. This method is very suitable for Hasan Sani Jati Unggul Sendirian Berhad that requires customized product, small batch production in each unit or batch. To explain clearly, direct material are raw material that are used in the production of the furniture piece, and direct labor usually refer to the wages of the workers directly involved in producing the furniture. Manufacturing overhead is indirect costs, including factory rent, miscellaneous, and factory utilities. So as you can see here is the total manufacturing cost formula, which is direct material plus direct labor plus manufacturing overhead. So in this company, the total cost of direct material is equal to Rm 50,000 ringgit, and the direct labor is equal to Rm 13,000 ringgit, and the total manufacturing overhead cost is equal to Rm 10,500 ringgit. So to calculate cost per unit of the product using the formula given, total manufacturing cost is equal to Rm 50,000 plus 13,000 plus 10,500. So you will get Rm 73,000 ringgit and 500 for the total manufacturing cost in this company. So the advantage using this method is to make it easier for the company to calculate and understand about the opportunities and still relevant in the market. It is suitable for this company where all the costs are considered direct costs of production. This technique provides a straightforward measure of unit costs for decision making. The company can effectively calculate unit costs using total costing, considering the straightforward nature of the method and the information provided. It helps with aiding in pricing decision and internal cost management by giving a precise estimation of unit cost. That's all for me. Thank you.
So this is an income statement of Hasan Sani Jati Unggul Sdn Bhd. The revenue for this company is 880,023 ringgit. Next is cost of goods sold. The beginning finished goods, we assume that the total is 5,000, and cost of good manufactured we get from the schedule of cost of good manufactured, which is 66,562 ringgit. The total goods available for sale is 71,562 ringgit. And for the ending, we assume that the total is 3,000 and cost of goods sold is 68,562 ringgit. to get the gross margin, revenue must minus cost of goods sold. So the total is 811,461 ringgit. Next is total operating cost. The total operating cost is 7,200. So to get the operating income, we must plus the gross margin and total operating cost. So the total operating income is 818,661 ringgit.
Hi, Dr. Kamila. My name is Nurhayati binti Muhammad Zani and my matrix number 8B21047. So I will continue to the cost of strategy. The first one is economics of scale. Cost per unit of the material, for instance, like wood, screw or varnish, will be cheaper if purchased in a large quantity. It is encouraged by a supplier. The second one is process improvement. Focus a lot of attention on the elimination of waste and simplification of the process. For instance, a company will be able to notice some specific activities in the flowchart, and these are not useful in achieving the final business objective. The next strategy is supply chain management. The following shows the strategy that organization can employ to reduce the holding cost. For example, use a GIT just in time. By then, a company that requires the use of resource, such as firm products in furniture, can eliminate the expensiveness of having a hard stock by applying GIT concept. The third strategy is automated machine and project technologies. Both line system, cutting tools, and automatic fabrications and polishing system for work helps in a job execution at a faster rate. The next one is outsourcing. One of the advantage of outsourcing is that it's offered cheaper for a company to purchase a service or goods, since it allows the company to leverage the economy of scale to the provider processes. And the last one is product design and development. When a furniture table firm selects a low-cost product design strategy that aims to utilize material and optimize production, the company can achieve the goal, the objective of the company. Essential table that design ensures a way that minimize the number of parts where possible by use a standard component, thus minimize cost and construction's time. In conclusion, it could be concluded that Hassan Sani Jati Unggul Sdn Bhd has been able to show its competency through the production of quality furniture product. However, for the purpose of sustainable and expanding the market share, it requires certain restructuring and purchasing contemporary business strategy. That's all from our group. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, Cik Afan. From this video presentation, do you have any question for our group?
So for my first question, what is the primary product that manufactured by Hassan Sani Jati Unggul Sdn Bhd?
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azman. Okay, so for the first question, I will answer that. Alright, so Hassan Jati Unggul Sdn Bhd primarily manufacturing table and chair. They have available the three size for the furniture, small, medium, and large. Design accommodate available different seating and capacity. They come in various shape and dimension. For the next question for this group, what question Cik Azri want to ask?
So what is the type of costing method does this company use to calculate average total cost and cost of per unit the product?
For the next question, Hassan Sani Jati Unggul Sdn Bhd use process costing to calculate the average total cost for producing large quantities of homogeneous product. They also use job order costing to assign cost to specific jobs or batch for customized or small batch production.